As I explained in the earlier class, from question number 4, I explained second one and fifth one. The remaining sums, target sums, I am going to explain now. So what are the remaining sums? First one, third one and fourth one. Now I am going to explain question number 1. So now you observe over here log 1000. This log 1000 we have to expand. Question number 1, solution. Now to expand log 1000 is equal to question mark. So now I am taking over here log 1000. Take log 1000. This 1000 I am going to write in the form of 10 cube. So since we have 10 cube is nothing but 10 into 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So instead of 1000 I wrote 10 cube. So when we are observing log 10 cube, it is in the form of power rule. So this, by writing this 3 over here, once you observe 3 log 10, which formula I used over here? Power rule. What is power rule? Power rule. What is power rule over here? Log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. So by using this formula I wrote in this form. So already I told you log 10, here base is nothing is there. We can write it as, we can take it as 10. The value of log 10 base 10 value is 1. So since we have one formula over here, log a base a is equal to 1. Now 3 into 1 is how much? 3. So finally what we got here? The value of log 1000 is 3. Therefore log 1000 is equal to 3. Actually we can take it as a question is find the value of 1000, but according to our textbook he gave expand. So the value of log 1000 is what here now? 3. Now we have to go for question number 3. What is question number 3 over here? Log x square y cube z power 4. This one I am going to expand. Now you observe over here. Now to expand, log x square y cube z power 4. So for expanding we have to take this value first. Take log x square y cube z power 4. It is in the form of log a b and one more variable is there, you consider as c. Log abc form. Log ab, we have one formula, log ab is there, log ab product rule. Log ab is what? Log a plus log b. Here this one I am going to write it as log x square plus log y square plus log z power 4. Here since which formula used over here? Product rule. Product rule. What is product rule over here? Log of xy base a is equal to log x plus log y. This product rule formula used over here. When we are observing log x square plus log y square plus log z power 4, we must get idea. We must get idea power rule. It is x square, power formation is there, power rule we must get idea. So what should we do here? This one I am going to write in the form of 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. 4 log z. So which formula used over here? Since I am going to write one formula here, log x power n base a is equal to n log x. Which rule is this? Power rule. Power rule. So after this, the expansion of, therefore, the expansion of log x square y cube z power 4 is 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Now you observe here, therefore, log x power 2 y power 3 z power 4 is equal to 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. So we expanded the value of log x square y cube z power 4. Okay, now I am going to explain fourth one. So what is the question? Log p square into q cube by r. This one what should we do now? Expand. So all of you see over here, question number 4. Now to expand log p square q cube by r. This one we have to expand over here. So for expanding, now I am going to take this part. Take log p square q cube by r. In this, it is nothing but this numerator part is nothing but a, denominator part is nothing but b. You think it as a and this is b. So log a by b, it is in the form of log a by b. So this one I am going to write log p square q cube minus log r. Which rule I used over here? Can you say? So since we have one rule over here, that is quotient rule. Quotient rule. What is that rule over here? Log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. So by using this rule, I split it into like this. After that, when we are observing log p square into q cube, this is p square is nothing but you think it as a, q cube you think it as b, log ab, we have one formula log ab, log xy, like that one formula is there. This one again I am going to write log a plus log b form, log p square plus log q cube. So after writing this, whatever balance is there, that one as it is I am going to write over here log r. Since which formula we used over here? Product rule. Which formula I used over here? Product rule. What is product rule? Log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. by using product rule, I split it into two parts. Again, when we are observing log p square and log q cube, it is in the form of power. We have to use power rule now. So I am going to write over here this 2 in front of log. I am going to write 2 log p plus 3 log q minus, as it is I am going to write log r. Since which formula I used over here? Power rule I used over here. I am going to write, since we have one formula over here, power rule. What is power rule over here? Log x power m base a is equal to m log x. So this power formation is there. I wrote into here RHS form. So after writing this one, there is no need to simplify, no need to expand over here. So finally the answer is what? Therefore log p square q cube by r is equal to 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. So hence we expanded. Thank you.